What is going on, guys? Jake here with an unboxing video of the Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo with the DJI Smart Controller. Now, I'm sure you guys have seen all kinds of unboxings and reviews for the Mavic Air 2, as have I. That's what made me decide to purchase this drone. But I have not seen an unboxing of the Fly More combo, which includes the DJI Smart Controller. So I figured I would go ahead and do that for you guys. Alright, now when you take off the lid of the box, get all the good old plasticky shrink wrap off, this is what you're presented with. You've got a nice DJI bag and a accessories pouch. Now we'll go ahead and take a look and see what's inside the accessories pouch. Opening it up, this is what you are presented with. Looks like we've got just a manual for the Fly More kit, battery charger, power bank adapter. I'm not going to open these up yet, but they are the extra sticks for the controller. We've got a 3-pack of ND filters here. It looks like they are 16, 64, and 256. And finally, in the accessories pouch, it is Propapalooza. We've got a bunch of props here. Looks like to be 3 sets. We've got 6 sets of the marked side and 6 sets of the unmarked side. Basically, on the drone, there's 2 marked and 2 unmarked, so 3 extra sets of props here. Alright, and on to the star of the show here. Just like the regular Fly More combo, you do get the DJI carry bag. And when you open up the top, that's what it looks like. First thing we have in the box is another box. Alright, and inside that box we've got the 2 extra batteries, our chargers, USB cable, our star of the show, which is the DJI Mavic Air 2. As you can see, DJI puts all kinds of stickers on it just to tell you how to open it up so you don't damage it. I'm not going to go too in-depth with this one because you guys have seen all the other Fly More combo kits. Everything up to this point should be exactly the same from what you've seen. So now we're going to go on to the big and major difference here. Now onto the true star of this combo pack is the Smart Controller. Now the great thing about this combo pack is normally the Fly More combo kit on the DJI website in the United States is $988. And normally the Smart Controller is an additional $750. But if you purchase this kit, you can actually save a significant amount bundling them together, as this kit is $13.99 with the Smart Controller included. Alright guys, so that is everything that comes in the box with the DJI Smart Controller Fly More combo bundle. Like I said, I was just going to keep it quick to an unboxing because other than the Smart Controller being in the box, everything else is literally the exact same from the other Fly More combo. Now I'm coming from a Mavic Mini and I needed to upgrade. I didn't need to upgrade, I wanted to upgrade, just the extra features, so I'm super excited about this one. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, if you want to see any drone videos, let me know. And if you're interested in purchasing this drone, definitely feel free to use my affiliate link down in the description below. It does help the channel out, as I do get a small cut from every purchase that's made. It doesn't cost you guys anymore, it just helps me to keep continuing to make videos. I hope you guys have a great day. See ya.